Hey guys, what's up? This is a box from OnePlus. Let's see what's inside this. Let's see. Here we have the Bullet Wireless from OnePlus. Let's keep this outside. These are the anniversary editions, the red ones. Let's look at the back of it. As you guys know, these support aptX Qualcomm graphics, and let's unbox this. Let's remove the paper. This comes with a pouch. Let me just grab it up. This is the charging cable to charge. It's a Type C cable, as you guys know. This pouch is magnetic. Oh, this is satisfying. And here are, I think, the ear tips. These are quite nice, as they are also have ear fins. Let's now look at the buds itself. And it says free your music, and these are the buds itself. This is, I think, the paperwork. Of different languages. This is also some more paperwork. Let's get these outside. These are the buds, and this cable, the only difference between the black and the red ones is this cable. This whole length of the cable. And these are magnetic, so music stops when you clip them together. These are not the truly wireless, as it comes with a neck band. This is the button to on it off, and this is the volume up and down button. They have a very nice feel to it, as a rubbery all around. Ear tips. I love the build quality of this thing. These are easy to pair, and this is a small button over here. By pressing it, the LED turns on. Here it is. There is also a Type C port here to charge it up. Let's try it now by pairing it with the phone. I have my Pixel 2 XL here. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. Here it comes. And it says it's 100% charged. Now I'll show you the magnetic feature of this buds. Here's the song playing, and here it starts playing, and when we swap them together, the song stops. So here's all about the anniversary edition Bullet Wireless. You can buy them at a price of 4,000 Indian rupees. These are all you get from this. That was all, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This was my first video. Feel free to share anything in the comments and hit the subscribe button. and I'll see you in the next one.